insecurity, youth entrepreneurship and startups, and discrimination in hiring. Our motivation for this is that youth unemployment is a critical issue for young people, particularly for AEGEE members and youth across Europe, as it directly influences their future mobility and ability to actively shape society. Many AEGEEans are transitioning from education to employment, uncertain about secure, stable and fulfilling jobs. As an organization that promotes European integration, we recognize that youth unemployment affects not only individual career prospects, but also the ability of young people to move, work and live freely across borders. Many member states pay significant time to volunteering and activism, yet often struggle to balance these commitments with employability and gaining recognized work experience. Youth participation in decision-making is a core value of AEGEE, and employment policies remain a crucial area where young voices must be heard. Unemployment limits financial stability, independence and active participation in civic life. Additionally, while AEGEE fosters valuable skills such as teamwork, leadership and intercultural communication through non-formal education, these competencies are often undervalued by employers. Furthermore, many young people, especially those from marginalized groups, face discrimination in hiring based on factors such as gender, nationality or socioeconomic background. AEGEE envisions a united and democratic Europe where all young people have fair access to employment opportunities, reinforcing the organization's commitment to a borderless and inclusive Europe. How is our topic related to AEGEE's mission, vision and means? The topic aligns with the mission, vision and means by addressing key challenges that young people face in securing stable and fulfilling employment, which directly impacts their mobility, independence and participation in society. AEGEE envisions a democratic and borderless Europe where all young people have equal opportunities, including in the labor market. Through non-formal education, policy advocacy, and youth engagement, AEGEE empowers its members to influence local and European decision-making, making employment a crucial area of focus. By tackling skills mismatches, job insecurity, youth entrepreneurship, and hiring discrimination, this discussion reinforces AEGEE's commitment to fostering an inclusive and supportive environment for young people to thrive professionally and contribute to shaping a fairer labor market. And just to summarize, some outcomes that we envision could be that youth employment could become the next focus area, as it has been before in AEGEE. We could make joint statements or resolutions on youth employment challenges and solutions. Perhaps we could write petitions or open letters to strengthen AEGEE's advocacy efforts, and this discussion could lead to a deeper understanding of the challenges young people face in the labor markets. And would we be interested in being the content manager? Maybe since we're also organizing the EPM, then hopefully, yeah, obviously, but then if we have the manpower left aside, then we would be interested, but it is not clear at the moment. Thank you.